was given to me, and I don't know what else to do.
You by who?
My father.
Does your father have some problem?
Well, he has diabetes, but
She's gonna say diabetes.
yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Okay, you're sure it was your father, right?
Yeah?
Well, you should probably go take that back to him and then take him to the doctor.
What would be wrong with him?
Oh, I'm not sure, but maybe some severe case of
I don't understand. Do I smell bad?
Oh, you don't.
Oh, do you smell it? Not really. I'm kind of immune, I guess.
Yeah, I guess. Well,
Are you sure you can't take it? Is there really like anything I can do? You can just give me like 50 cents.
I'm not going to do anything for that. Except for wait for that. So please take it. Well, you can take that back. They come in packages, and one, especially a used one, isn't good.
Well, I'm sorry. But I guess I misunderstood that you couldn't reuse toilet paper.
You think that's toilet paper? That's not toilet paper.
What would you call it?
More absorbent. More absorbent.
Yeah, I thought so.
Well, where I come from, we've always called it toilet paper. Switzerland.
That makes sense. Okay, well, you're gonna have to go, I mean, there's an aisle for these things, so you can just buy more if you want, like, new ones.
Instead of returning it?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Any small children in your family, maybe, that,
With what?
like, to use these, other than your father?
The used
The new ones.
I have a niece. She's about 4.
Okay, so she might still use these, right? Okay.
I would hope not either.
Maybe. I'm not quite sure.
I have a cousin who's 7 who's still using them.
Oh jeez.
Ew.
My sister's 11, but she has some.
Well, she is still having a little bit of trouble getting potty trained.
So, do you want me to show you the aisle where you can buy more?
Buy some more Clorox? Or diapers?
Yeah.